If you feel numb or disconnected from God, I want to give you a little bit of advice. Don't try to force a spiritual feeling or connection. Instead, sit in silence. Go back to His Word, even one verse, and thank Him, even if your heart feels quiet. Because our connection with God is not built on emotion, but on returning to Him. So that's my advice for you. If you feel numb or disconnected from God, instead of trying too hard and forcing feelings, just sit in silence. Open your Bible, return to His Word, and thank Him for everything.